got you. Yep. Happy 4th of July, folks. Dark rain clouds. We're trying to beat the rain. Starts to rain, then it stops. Here we go. Again. Here we go. Woo! Woo! My son, Mr. Damon Cash in Pyromania.
2016.
2016. Woohoo! Whoop it up. Hope everybody else is having fun. We sure are. I just don't want to. I'm glad that it is wet and rainy. That way we won't set anybody's yard or bushes on fire with all of this. Here we go, here we go. Woohoo! Wow! That one was like good, spectacular. Having some fun. Alright, Damon, here comes some people. Check with y'all later. Hope you're having a fun 4th.